Hello and welcome, viewers. In this video, we'll walk you through the exciting new features of the Elite Member Areas user panel. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you're already subscribed, thank you for your support. Let's begin with integrating Elite Licenser into the member area. Navigate to the WordPress member area dashboard. Click on the Elite Licenser module, enable it, and set the API key and API endpoint. Note, these details are in the Elite Licenser API settings module. Next, let's explore the panel product module. Under the Member Panel Products tab, click on the Get Products button to sync your products from Elite Licenser. Select the products you want to add and click Add Product. Any new products added to Elite Licenser will appear here automatically. To edit a product's details, click on Edit. Update fields like product title, icon, menu icon, link, video link, and short description. Now, let's move to the Products Feature tab. Click on Add Feature, provide a title, select the product, and add a description. Choose an icon and click Add. You can add multiple features to one product. In the Panel Settings tab, you can customize Dashboard panel messages, affiliate links, newsfeed links, tutorial links, and social media links with titles. Here's how it all displays on the client dashboard. The dashboard panel shows your customized message. Below, you'll see the list of products and their navigation menus. At the bottom, find icons for affiliate links, tutorial videos, and social media links. View the news and updates section on the right side with admin added links. Now, let's see how licensed products are displayed. If a product has a license key, it will show a unique key associated with it. From here, customers can also download their purchased products. Additionally, you can view details about how many domains have been activated with a specific license key. For customers who purchase through platforms like AppSumo or PitchGround or similar coupon-based platforms, they can upgrade their license by entering the purchase code they received. Simply go to the Add Code section, input the code, and update the license. A new domain protection feature is available. Enable this feature in the admin panel. Use the Protect Domain button to configure Blacklist or Whitelist settings. For a blacklist, the license won't activate on the specified domain. For a whitelist, only the listed domains can use the license. If you have other products that do not have a license key, you can still showcase them effectively. Display product features to highlight what the product offers. Include a feature description to provide more details about each feature. Add a video to visually demonstrate the product's functionality and benefits. This approach allows you to attract customers by showcasing the value of your other products, even if they are not yet licensed. It's a great way to generate interest and encourage purchases. Lastly, the member area includes a powerful webhook integration feature for Elite Licenser users. When a new license is created, it will automatically reflect in the member area, and clients will receive a customizable email notification. This is how you can use the Elite Member Area's new user panel features to efficiently manage licenses, products, and customer interactions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.